justice between the executive and the constitutional commissions and independent offices. It is a demonstration of our administration's determination to strengthen cooperation, collaboration, and partnership with all state agencies as envisaged in the Constitution. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, delivering development as underpinned by the bottom-up economic transformation agenda requires input from all players. There is no development specifically for the executive, the legislature, the judiciary, or the ccios. We only have one development plan of transforming Kenya together. The executive values the work of the ccios in socio-economic development, especially in bringing balance through objective oversight. But a lame or struggling institution cannot check the excesses of the executive in the spirit of promoting transparency and accountability for public good. It will be prone to manipulation and interference in its decisions. President William Ruto has on a number of occasions said that constructive criticism of his administration will enable him deliver better on the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. Framework for engagement. We have had some nasty exchanges between the Office of the Attorney General and the Public Service Commission. It is unnecessary. Within this framework, whatever issues that are creating a misunderstanding between any office and another, we can settle.
First photo. As the chairpersons and heads of independent bodies take that photo opportunity, may we kindly have the Teacher Service Commission